YouTube channel ko. This is Jeremy Mosa. This is a simple fried chicken. So that's I marinate with the soya sauce and salt and pepper and a squeeze of lemon and a fresh garlic, chopped garlic. So I fry my chicken so for like 15 minutes and put the remaining sauce to the chicken and put it cover it for another 10 minutes, and when it simmer it with the old sauce, and put it in the oven, put it a cube of butter and put it in the oven for 10 minutes so it will be more cooked. And now my chicken is ready. Let's eat now. So I'll show you how to put my own gravy. So I made my own gravy. So I let's put it on a plate now. So this is my simple fried chicken, and hope you like it. And there's my delicious sarap fried chicken, and put it on my brown gravy. Yeah, and I have my string beans with top of sesame seeds. Let's eat now. Sarap. Thank you for watching my video. Sana ay magustuhan nyo ito. Sarap. See you then. I'll put all the ingredients at the end of the video.